1.
Hello, welcome to 2911 at Homestead. I'm Selah, and today I will be showing you my update on our Polish rabbits.
2, 1.
This is my first Polish show rabbit. My first show rabbit in general. His name is Benton. I got him from Willow Woods Rabbitry. Something terrible happened, and it was really sad, at least for me. He's okay, but he got a blue mark on his back, which is a DQ. Okay, he's not happy with me right now, as you can tell. So he has a blue mark right here. Okay. And then he has a blue mark right here. So that makes him a DQ. So I can't show him anymore, but we're gonna keep him because he's so cute and he's so sweet.
2, 1.
Hello, this is my one of my first does, Savannah. I got her from 8 Stables. She's a blue. She's really, really sweet, an amazing mom. And you will see in a clip in a second that she likes to be a parrot and she likes to jump off of people. So, I have her on my shoulder. Ah! She's a parrot, okay. This is Coco. She's originally from Willow Woods. She is a chocolate Polish. She's really sweet, she's really shy, but she's also just very dramatic.
1.
This is Fudge. I got him from Willow Woods Rabbitry too. I got him for my birthday last year. He's a chocolate Polish. He's very adventurous, if you can't tell. This is Frankie, my broken black Polish. He is very adventurous, as in most of them, but he also loves to get to be on your shoulder and under your chin because that makes him feel safe. I got him from Willow Woods Rabbitry too with the other rabbit, Fudge. So that's it. He's sweet. Mwah.
1.
This is Precious. She's a solid black Polish. She's from Bivens Homestead. She's very sweet, very cuddly. She acts like she's shy, but she's really not. She also wants to jump off of me right now, like every other rabbit I've held today. This is April. We got her from the Durgans family. She's a broken black Polish. She's really, really shy. Like most of our rabbits. You can't tell, she's trying to escape from right there. And she currently has a litter of 3 bucks. They're really cute. Doc, he's a solid black buck. I got him from a lady in Maryland named Miss Rachel. And the reason I named him Doc was because MD is what is it called, Mama?
Abbreviation
of Maryland. And MD is also a doctor. So, Doc. Romeo. He is a lilac buck. Beautiful. He is one of the sweetest things I have ever met. And April's babies are also his babies. And he's originally from Willow Woods, but we got him from a guy named Quint Cook. So we are getting on to the rabbits that I've had in litters. This is Trixie. She was from my first ever litter. She's a solid black doe. Obviously she likes to get in my hair. She's from Savannah and Benton. I currently think she's pregnant and she's supposed to be due the 12th of March. So that's gonna be really exciting. And she's on the bigger side. Before she would have been pregnant, but I love her anyways. So this is a litter out of Savannah and Frankie. This is Honey. She is a broken black doe. And this is Hershey's. He is a solid chocolate buck. They're very much sweet, except for the fact that he won't get off of my shoulder. So that's fun. But this is him. This is Baby Ruth, named after the chocolate bar. She's out of Hershey's. Not Hershey's. I meant Fudge. Fudge and Coke. She's out of Fudge and Cocoa. She is a solid chocolate doe. As you can tell, she likes to jump